A psychologist tested 1,000 first meetings and found 3 micro moves that make strangers instantly like you. Most people miss all 3. The second one takes less than 1 second, but changes everything. Ever walked away from a conversation feeling invisible, like they just weren't connecting with you? Here's why. You're doing what 87% of people do, trying to be interesting. But the science shows the opposite works better. Psychologists have studied thousands of conversations and found something surprising. People decide if they like you in the first 7 seconds. Not 7 minutes, 7 seconds. It's about triggering 3 psychological switches most people completely miss. Here's how. First, the name echo. Use someone's name within the first 20 seconds. Research shows hearing our own name activates the same brain regions that process self-identity. It literally makes their brain pay attention to you. Instead of, "Nice to meet you," try, "Sarah, how do you know the host?" You've triggered their attention center. Simple, powerful. Next, the eyebrow flash. This is the one that takes less than 1 second but changes everything. When you first see someone, raise your eyebrows for a quarter of a second. That's it. Paul Ekman found this gesture is universal from New York to Papua New Guinea. It signals recognition and warmth. People can't consciously detect it, but they feel it instantly. Now, the third one is where most people completely fail, and it's actually the easiest to do. But first, here's what ties all 3 together. Likability isn't about being interesting. It's about making the other person feel interesting. That's the secret. The 70-30 rule. Let them talk 70% of the time, you talk 30%. When people express themselves, they feel more connected to you, even if they barely know you. Ask one thoughtful question, then actually listen. Don't wait for your turn, just listen. Then ask one follow-up. Most people will think you're the most interesting person they've met, and you barely talked about yourself. Here's how this works. You're at a networking event. You spot Sarah. Most people say, "Nice to meet you," then launch into their own stories. Instead, you make eye contact. Eyebrow flash, instant warmth. You say, "Sarah, how do you know the host?" You've used her name and given her the spotlight. She talks for 90 seconds. You ask one follow-up. What's the most challenging part of that work? She lights up. By the end, she's introducing you to 3 other people. You've become memorable without talking about yourself at all. Here's what you need to know. These only work if you actually care. Eyebrow flash with dead eyes? People sense it. Ask questions but don't listen? They'll feel manipulated. The psychology works because it helps you show genuine interest. You can't fake this. You have to mean it. And here's what ruins all 3. Distraction. If you're on your phone or looking around the room, none of this matters. Eye contact in those first 7 seconds is non-negotiable. That's the body language mistake that kills trust before you even speak. So here's my challenge. Pick one of these for your next conversation. Name echo, eyebrow flash, or the 70-30 rule. Try it once. I guarantee you'll notice people responding differently. Warmer, more engaged, more open. It's like unlocking a door you didn't know was closed. If you want more psychology-backed insights like this, hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment. Which technique are you trying first? I read every one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.